Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, let's discuss what is going on currently on the euro currency. Well, as you can see, yesterday market in fact has accomplished our assumption, our setup that we said that probably market could form here some pattern that looks like the head and shoulders, and for that purpose market needs to reach the neckline first and later show the bounce to the upside, thus to form the right shoulder of this pattern. But as you can see, yesterday market has done it in some extreme manner, so that this neckline has been hit by really fast action, some kind of the washing greens of these lows, and later market has jumped up right to the area as the destination point of the right shoulder. So you can see market now stands in fact where it should be based on this pattern, and currently the major question is whether market will continue move higher. So if market price will start move high and exceed this previous highs and will approach to this top, this will tell us that we should be ready to the upward action, minimum to the 134.40 area, and taking out of these highs. But if market will form here some reversal pattern on the intraday charts, and we will get the chance to see that probably market could start move to the downside from this area and still to complete this head and shoulders pattern, that will be quite another tune. Well, I do not know guys whether you was on time here to take the long position, because we also talked about it. We said that scalp traders could try to take the long position here right at the neckline with the hope that market will reach this area. But since this has happened extremely fast, and we've got here the pattern, I will show you. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, that was the excellent looking stop grabber, bullish stop grabber pattern. But unfortunately, personally, I was not on in time here, because I was not on across on my computer. So the single position that I currently have is the short on the S&P, the daily S&P, because here, as we have discussed previously on the couple of weeks before, it's nice setup for the double repo sell that is working now. Well, that's in fact the one single position that I have, because here this was just with the single candle. This splashdown was extremely fast, some sort of the wash and rinse of these lows, because that was significant support. That was an agreement around the 618 support, and also that is the weekly pivot support one. So market just splashed down, grabbed the stops, hit the neckline, accomplished, by the way, take a look, accomplished 100% extension of this pattern, A, B, C tab. That was the 618 retracement, 100% jump up. Wow, so you were lucky if you had the possibility and were in time to take the long position here by this nicely looking stop grabber pattern that suggested minimum the taking out of these highs. Well, but personally I didn't do this. Well, what we could do currently on the euro currency, on the hourly time frame, I did not see any patterns yet, so that's really jump up. This is a bit insufficient number of candles for treating this action as thrust for the bread and butter, for instance trade or something of that sort. But probably market will try to retest to here this previous consolidation that is possible, and later will show something. If we will get, for instance, butterfly, or we'll get here the head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort, that at least give us some hope that market could reverse here to the downside, we will stick with this pattern and attempt to make the short position, take the short position based on the possible head and shoulders on the daily time frame. But if market will fail to show this and continue move higher, will closely come to these previous highs, well guys, that probably will mean that euro will try to challenge these highs and will start the preparation for the breakout, almost as the gold did yesterday. Well, currently I do not see any patterns here, so could we enter long? Well, for long entry we need some retracement, something of that sort, that at least to the 133.10 area. if you would like to take the long position. Well, whether we should enter short, well, after such action without any patrons, personally I do not want to do this. That's just, for me, it's a bit unreasonable action. So thus I do not see much what could be done on the euro currency. As you can see, this market, in fact, by 2 candles has reached all our trading plan that we have discussed, and we suggested that it probably could be done within some trading sessions, some number of trading sessions, but that has happened extremely fast. So at once hitting the neckline and reaching the 127. That is 618 extension, by the way. 618 resistance of that swing to the downside. That's very typical when we could get the 127 head and shoulders pattern, because take a look, the head stands at 127 of the right shoulder. So 768 fib resistance is very typical, because if you measure the extension of this potential right shoulder, the head will be also stand at 127. That's why it's normal current setup. So that's been said, our major focus will be stick with whether market will start to form some reversal pattern or not. In other words, we need some clarification whether market will continue to move higher, or the head and shoulders pattern here will start to form. Depending on what we will see today and maybe on Monday, we could probably make the reasonable decision and possess ourselves for the further price action.